Okay, it's just August 4th, a Sunday, and we're out of Freedom MX. This is the day track. It looks like a race, but it's just practice. We got, the track is full of 65, 85, and we got a few 50s out here. There's my youngest right there. There's Keenan. Kind Orr's also on the track. There's Orr right there in the pink. That's her. I say it almost looks like a race. It's as close as you can get to a race environment without it actually being a race. Where we at? Here's Ty right here. So it's just a practice day, but plenty of kids out here riding, plenty. There's Keenan in the distance. Everybody's taking it easy, riding at their comfort level, having fun. We're not setting the track on fire. One kid is setting the track on fire. We're here with this pink helmet. Number 71 right here. I don't know how old he is. He must be. He looks around 14 years old. He cleared that. That's a KTM 85 he's on. My kids are out here riding, but they can't see this kid, number 71, with the pink helmet. This isn't an idea of what it should look like once they improve on their riding skills a little bit better. He's turning on what that 85 makes. He's turning on what it makes in the straightaways. He got some slower kids in this way, so he can't really turn it on like he wants to. He was clearing jumps out here, clearing big jumps. He passed that Husqvarna that was in front of him. Watch him come around. That's him in the distance. Whoa, he whipped just then. Here he comes. Nobody's in front of him. He can really turn it on. Well, he got on the brakes on that. He purposely didn't clear it. Let's see what he does here on this one. Whoa! He cleared it. He turned it on in, coming over that. Cleared that one. But anyway, I mean, for my three, Keenan, Aura, and Kai, that's what it should look like. Where y'all at? Okay, here comes Aura. That's my daughter. She's taking it easy. And there's Kai. I'm missing one. I'm missing my youngest. There's Aura, and there's Kai right behind her. My youngest turned off the track. He either turned off the track and went to take a break, or he went down. Let me go see if I can find him. Record some more later.